In our videos, we've always saw the paintbrush joints. Here with our thin format and here with our normal format. With the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks, we have also the possibility of flush pointing with our Meldorfer pointing mortar. This results in a full-filled joint, which supports the natural look of the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks on the facade. For this we need our Meldorfer pointing mortar. Meldorfer pointing mortar is supplied in buckets in an earth-moist state and can be used immediately after stirring. For grouting we need a joint trowel and various joint irons in a different thickness. 8 mm or 10 mm or 12 mm are possible. A short one for the perpend joints and a longer one for the bed joints. The Meldorfer flat-facing bricks was embedded in the bonding mortar with pushing movements as shown, and the tooth of the Meldorfer tooth trowel was left in the joint. The Meldorfer bonding mortar should be dry for approx 1 day. After that you can start to filling the joints. To do this, we take the trowel with our Meldorfer pointing mortar. Then we place the trowel at the joint and apply the mortar into the joint with the jointing iron.
Nehmen uns das geeignete Fugeneisen, setzen es an der Fuge und bringen das Material ein.
Overlaying material on the surface of the flat-facing bricks can be removed with a brush.
Haftet macht das nichts, denn die Fuge wird im Anschluss noch abgefegt und überschüssiges Material hierbei entfernt.
You have to work the material into the joint so that the resulting joint is level with the surface of the flat-facing brick. You have to fill first the bed joints and after that the perpend joints. Place the trowel with pointing mortar underneath the joint and fill it.
Ist dies erfolgt?
When this is done, the facade is then swept off horizontally with a brush and the full-filled joint is finished.
Und die Vollverfugung ist fertiggestellt.